Today we'll take a look at running AI models locally in your device using the Foundry CLI. First, we will install the Foundry CLI through Winget. This is a quick operation that you only need to do once. Next, we can start invoking the Foundry CLI. We'll start by listing the available models. Here, we can see models from multiple vendors available to be run locally in your device, each displaying a name, compute type, size, and license to suit your needs and hardware capabilities. I'm a big fan of small models, so we'll start playing with Quinn 2.505b, a model that is both capable and small footprint. We'll use the Foundry Model Run command to try it out and ask about Planet Jupiter. Let's see the model respond while running on my standard issue dev box at work. Great. It's fast and can produce tokens as expected. Next, I want to ensure that the Foundry CLI is running its background service so I can start experimenting with the model from my NodeJS app. I can see that the Foundry service is running and serving through HTTP. Now for my NodeJS app, I will import the OpenAI module to talk to the local Foundry service in my machine, and I will also import the Foundry local SDK, which helps me interact with the service and connect to the local models. Here I will create a Foundry local manager and declare the alias of the model I want to use in my application. Next, I will initialize the model in the local service, effectively downloading the model if it's not available yet, and then loading it up to memory and have it ready to serve tokens. The OpenAI instance can now be created using the endpoint and API key provided by the Foundry local manager. We'll also use the model info ID when making completions calls to the local service. Let's run the application and see the local model returning completions based on my input in a web page. I will again ask about Jupiter. The output comes back to me quickly, and I'm now ready to experiment with language models hosted in my computer. This is local Foundry running AI models in your device. I hope you enjoyed this demo.